Super simple coloring books too. Coloring book publishing. Super simple coloring books too. How to create and publish professional-looking coloring books. Discover how to create professional-looking coloring book images, even if you can't draw to save your life. Inside Super Simple Coloring Books too, you'll discover how to find coloring book ideas. If you want to make coloring books, you need ideas, right? Inside you'll discover how to turn the world's most popular internet browser into your own free book idea, Bloodhound. How to create professional-looking images. Anyone can make a coloring book, but not everyone can make a great coloring book. Inside you'll discover how to create traffic-stopping coloring book images, even if you can't draw a stickman figure. How to make money on Amazon and beyond. Wouldn't it be great if you didn't have to compete with everyone on Amazon? Inside you'll discover how anyone can take their coloring book business beyond Amazon, even offline, and make money from their coloring content. How to be the cheapest but most profitable. What if you could compete with even the cheapest coloring book creator and still make money? Inside you'll discover how to sell your content at rock-bottom prices and leave your broke competition scratching their heads in confusion. Illustrations so amazing you won't believe your eyes. Where to sell coloring content packages that sell 24/7 on autopilot, so you only need to create content once, and it repays you over and over again in the weeks and months ahead, giving you the freedom to work on other money-making projects or putting up your feet for a while. How to do the impossible and send your buyers straight to your website without giving them your domain name, which means you never miss a chance to sell the follow-up book or capture an email addresses. While others struggle with follow-up marketing, you'll be way ahead of the game. How to be unique in a world full of coloring book copycats so that you draw buyers to you like a magnet. When you do, there is no competition snapping at your heels. Where to find tons of content you can transform into coloring book content, which means you'll never have to pay or wait around for expensive illustrators. So not only are you making money, but saving it at the same time. How to use your coloring book as the gateway to more expensive products and services, so even if you sell them for a loss, you'll still make your bank manager very happy. Or your spouse or partner for that matter. Super simple coloring books too. 24 videos jam-packed with usable content. Now imagine both of us sitting down and going through a step-by-step practical approach to creating and selling a coloring book, rather than someone's airy-fairy theory, one where we could cover every part of coloring book creation. Coming up with ideas, creating content, publishing your book, and then how to make money from your content. And you could watch and re-watch it over and over again. Wouldn't that be helpful? To finally be able to create professional-looking coloring books that don't cost a penny to create and bring in a profit on their very first sale. Sound good? This is the bargain of a lifetime. Super simple coloring books too. Coloring book publishing.